Hey everybody, at the Dream House renovations part 4 I think this time. I think we're at part 4 now, and I know it's been a long time since we did one of these. We were sort of putting these videos out every couple of weeks, but to be honest nothing much has been happening here recently. Here we are at the house and here's the barn. You can see nothing much has happened yet, but it's a really exciting week. My mate Sonny's here from England. My friend that was supposed to come out a few months ago and couldn't make it, and we've got him on a flight this week and he's here, and we're starting to put some trusses together for the roof, which is really exciting. Where are we now? We're in something like 10th of December today. It's getting a bit chilly. You can see it's all cloudy, you can't see the mountains, can't see the views. It's a bit chilly, but we're doing fine. And yeah, by the end of the day we should have our first few trusses up there, and maybe by the end of the week, well, we'll see how far we go. I'll show you what we get up to. Well look, you can see behind me we've got some frames, some trusses all knocked up, and it's getting dark. At the end of the day, just starting to clear as well, just starting to see the mountains in the distance now. I got my friend Chris here, see my mate Sonny's here helping me build this. We're going to try and hoist some of these trusses up onto the roof, and I've got the car running just for a bit of extra light so we can kind of see what we're doing as it gets dark here. Look at this, looking pretty good, it's exciting. I'm not sure if you can see this, but we've got 2 trusses up there now, top of the wall. It's got dark, but it's looking pretty good. Got the car running for some light, got my head torch on, and yeah, it's looking solid actually, and a nice big roof space that we can also live in. Next day, and look how it is. Oh. So we basically knocked up a few of these trusses on the ground like we've done this morning, a couple more here, another 4 there to go up. Well, yeah, another 4 to go up, and the bottom one's a template, and they weigh a ton. This wood is so fresh. We had to order a load of new timber in, so here we've got this 5 metre long 6x2 or 5x15 centimetres is what they call it here, and that's acting as a cross tie. It's going across the span of the building. I'll show you inside, and that means that we can make a mezzanine upstairs. We can actually put a floor down up there and some steps going up and have a big roof space. It was really hard to get these timbers. You see these here are the 6x2s that go all the way across, and it was really hard to get them because well, they just don't really do 5 metre lengths and anything in Bulgaria, and even 6x2 was a really irregular size. And the problem was that a lot of Bulgaria's already got snow. We're down here today. It's beautiful. It's like we've been working in t-shirts this morning. We've got hot. It's kind of getting up to 19-20 degrees apparently today. But up in the mountains they got snow, and the logging trucks couldn't get out of the mountains with the wood, and we were really worried we weren't going to be able to get these. But I'll show you. Sonny came up with a great idea, which is cutting these cross ties at an angle so that we can just lay the rafters on top straight up to the apex and then back down again. And in theory it should make it easy for me once he's gone, and it's looking good. Yeah, so we're gonna give Chris another ring, see if he'll come down and give us a hand lifting these up. It'd be, I think, impossible with 2 people. These really do weigh a ton, but it's looking good. We've actually got a roof shape, and we've got some very exciting stuff going on today. You might see in the background we've got somebody here filming us. I'm not allowed to say exactly what's going on at the moment, but yeah, it's exciting. Got another cameraman here today. I'm not the only one filming this project, which is very exciting. Lots more will be revealed shortly, I'm sure. But yeah, stay tuned for that. I think it's strong wire. Pick it. thanks for watching, everyone. I'm going to call it a day with this video because it's going to get boring watching us just keep putting up rafters and trusses all day. But I'm going to leave you some clips to see how things are looking at the end of the day today. It's really exciting for us, really good. Massive thanks to Sunny and Hassan for all the help. Big thanks to Maya, she's come and helped today. Please go and check out her YouTube channel, Maya in Bulgaria. She actually made a really cool video of this roof build when we started a few weeks back, so go and check out that. That's great, and subscribe to her channel, please do that. And yeah, I did find out at the end of the day yesterday, I'm allowed to reveal a little bit more about what we're up to with the filming. We had British Television here yesterday filming our project. That's about as much as I can say. They're going to be coming a lot more, maybe once again, twice again before the end of the year, and throughout 2023. So stay tuned for that, super exciting for us, and there's going to be lots more news coming on that soon. And as always, we will see you soon again in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.